Design, innovation, material. Put them together and artistry unfolds. Advancing our mission, the KOHLER Waste Lab transforms recycled manufacturing materials into gracious, enduring products for sustainable living. Skilled artisans handcraft each Waste Lab box sink in KOHLER, Wisconsin, using recycled materials solely from our own ceramic, cast iron, and bathing operations. And in partnership with bold creators, the Waste Lab crafts signature tiled collections from nearly 100% recycled materials, bringing sustainable artistry to life. KOHLER Waste Lab. Even more to love. Only from KOHLER.